Yo guys, I found the alien that stole Bigfoot's selfie stick, but now I have got it back. Guys, I just found the alien's UFO. Maybe the alien was a woman. Guys, I think I just found Bigfoot's house, but he's not home. Where is Bigfoot? I can't find him anywhere. Oh my God, here is he.
Here, Bigfoot. This is the selfie stick the alien stole from you.
Wow, thank you, Yeti. This goddamn alien was just too fast.
Oh no, it's raining.
Oh,
no. Let's get under here. How do I look? Ready for Forest Fashion Week.